Alright boys, we're going to start off on this point here, push our way down there. Had somebody go in front of me, they knew who they are over there. Yeah. But yeah, we might catch them today, we might not, who knows. I don't know what this rain's going to do to them really. Guess we'll just have to figure it out. There's one. So I got this little line here we're going to use tonight. He ain't that big, but he's a keeper. Yeah, there's a fish. Nice, about 5-pounder here. About a 5-pounder there. There we go, number one. Working it. Caught him on a shad ball. Imagine that. There's something biting somewhere. You messed that thing up. Had it crippled it. It's good now. See if we can't just get us another one. Surely not. He had it in his mouth that whole time. My lord. Quit. He had it in his mouth right there. I felt the pressure. Oh, that's a big one. What is that? That's a big smallmouth, I do believe. I couldn't tell what that was. It kind of looked like a catfish. I've never seen a catfish jump that far. My lord. I wouldn't think a catfish would jump, but that's what it looked like. Man, my heart's a pounding for some reason. My lord. That might be like a 4-pounder. If it's a smallmouth, a 4-pounder. Or it's a big one for sure. And this is a monster. I thought for sure when it come up it was gonna be gone, like the wind. This is a giant. This is actually a giant. Just let me get a look at you. I hope it's not a catfish. If it's a catfish, I'm gonna be mad. That's what I thought it looked like, or a walleye, but walleye don't fight this hard. This is a smallmouth, I do believe. This thing don't want to give up. We're pulling her up now. It don't help I got 6-pound line on this little flimsy pole here. But it makes the minnow wiggle so good. This is a giant. God, I hope I can get this in. I just want to see it. Oh God, the last 4-pounder I caught didn't fight this freaking hard. Giant. Big freaking smallmouth. Oh my gosh. Let's go. That's a monster. That is a monster. Oh my gosh. Oh, that might be a 4-pounder. I don't know. It's close. Jeez. Oh my gosh. That's so crazy. Think I can call him out later? Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you, girl. Don't freak out too much. I'm gonna put some stuff in there to keep you alive. Oh, I'm shaking. There's one. Another keeper. Now, was he bigger than I thought he was or something? He didn't look that big. Oh, I like it. Put the spell right out. If you jump out, I'm over mad. Very mad. Thank you, Lord. Oh man, where did he go? Really, this is an awesome day on Stevens. I haven't had a day like this on Stevens in a couple seconds. They're right past me. Alright guys, I really couldn't, there's not really a pattern of what I'm doing here. I'm kind of just scoping bait balls, really. That usually does not work this way for me. But it is today, so. There it is. Smallmouth, ain't it? I think it's a smallmouth. Yeah, it's a smallmouth. It's a little one. But you know what? He adds. Smallmouth. Come here, smallmouth. I'll put you in there with your daddy. Don't dare jump. Don't you dare jump. Taking lessons from your father there. He scared me to death when he jumped. I thought he was a giant catfish or something. It scared me. There's a smallmouth there. Little old smallmouth. I don't care to put you in there with your dad. Bagging. pretty sure this is our smallest one. Scared to death that fish is gonna jump out of there and cry. Another monster. Another monster. Another really big one. And here comes the scariness again. I don't know what that was. It looked awfully long on the scope. Not jumping. My Lord, don't get in there. Stay away from it. No, he's trying to jump. Yeah, not that big of a fish. I mean, just a good one. Jumping right over there. That is a good largemouth, my geez. He's not even hooked. That's a 2-pounder. Jeez. We're having us a day. I don't know which one's our smallest. Number 6. I'm not putting our smallmouth on a cold tag. Probably not gonna put this one on one either. That one tried to just jump out. Well, we have us a limit, and it is 7:30. It took us an hour and a half to get a limit. Sweet. We'll take it. All right, boys. Just figured I'd show you what we're doing here. You see, like that out there. That's not a very good one. But like that big blob out there, it's a ball of shad over there. You can see him right there on top of the water. You probably can't there, but and there's not fish, like there's not fish eating them. I haven't seen any fish like eating them, but there's fish around them. I figured they're just schooling them. Yeah, and we're just catching them. I don't know, it never works like this before. Feels pretty good, honestly. Not gonna lie to you. Oh yeah. He might do it. Jump right in the net. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's a color. No doubt about it. This thing is the mouth of a smallmouth, but the body of a largemouth. Man, he is fat. We aren't happy right now. Where's number 1? I'm gonna let you go if you can. That's awesome. There it is. Oh yeah, he's bigger. He's bigger. Get out of here, be free. This is a baddie. You'll be able to continue your meal tomorrow. Bagging. I hate when they get under the boat like that. It's so annoying. This boat flipped him with 6 pound line. It'll be close. If this one's a color or not, it'll be close. What do you think, bud? I think you're a color. You are a color. You're the color of green. Well, boys, I didn't have the camera on, but yeah, we just hooked one. A little large jaw here. I seen him. He's not that big. I don't really know why he's fighting like he's a freaking ginormous fish. At least it didn't look that big. Oh well, he'll call out that one. We'll say that much. Or he should call out that fish. We'll see. He's a feisty little guy. All right. Here's some information, guys. The sun came out a little bit, got a little bit slow. I don't think he's gonna call anything. He calls him? Nah. Get out of here, bud. Thank you for the bite. Most annoying sound ever. Boys, I got a video from here because I didn't get it on video, but I had just stuck a big one with a jig. I'm banging. Yeah. I kind of had a feeling they'd eat the jig here, because that one I pulled up earlier had the thing in its mouth. We just got us a dandy large mouth here, you know, about 2 pounds at least. We'll take them, won't we? Big 5-pounder mouth. All right, we're just gonna do us a little bit of culling here. See what we got. Let's see about that smallmouth. It's one of these two. Alright, yeah, smallmouth's a little bit bigger. We're gonna throw him back. This old large jaw here is our smallest one. Bagging. Won't call it out for these. Throw that one back. Replace it with a 2-pounder. So now that smallmouth is our smallest one. Baggins. Alright, boys, we have just hooked what I believe is an actual 4-pound smallmouth with the jig. Scared me to death. We'll be able to get this one in a little faster this time. Jig is a player today. Come on. Yeah, oh. There's another big one. Big smallmouth. Big smallmouth. He got the jig too. He got the jig. Guys, we got us a mega bag right now on Stevens. This is definitely the biggest bag I've ever caught here. Alright, so we're gonna replace The little smallmouth or the big one. Sweat at. If you want to go that bad, just leave. Just leave. Another call here. Back in. See a little smallmouth. Thanks for the bite. I'm gonna put this one on.